Hi, I'm Jason Quito, the campus minister at Providence High School, and together with our director of campus ministry, our coordinator of Christian service, and all the other faculty and staff who are actively involved in our campus ministry here at Providence High School, in addition to our student peer leaders, our focus and our goal is to create a dynamic faith life here on campus where the Catholic tradition is lived and experienced in an environment that is welcoming and inclusive of all of the other traditions that comprise our campus. And we, at the end of the day, want to help accompany young people on their journey, because along with their physical and their intellectual development, their spiritual development, their sense of themselves and their sense of how they want to be of service in the world is critically important. And so we are here to foster and promote and accompany them on the way.
Hi, I'm Janet Fontaine, and I'm the Christian Service Coordinator in Campus Ministry. I am so honored to do this work. I get to work with each and every student for 4 years, helping them meet their mandatory Christian service requirement. I feel so blessed to be in this work. I am passionate about giving. I'm passionate about service, and I am so blessed to be carrying on this tradition of our founders, the Sisters of Providence. And I like to share my joy and my enthusiasm with each and every student and helping them find the joy in giving themselves.
Hi everyone, my name is Kate Collier and I am one of 2 ASB Religious Commissioners serving the 2020-2021 school year. I was first drawn to campus ministry as a newly baptized and confirmed Catholic who had the urge to serve my community and spread my faith to others. Providence's Campus Ministry Core Team program gave me the opportunity to do just that. As part of the team, I was a leader and a mentor. I gained so many qualities and skills that I continue to use on a daily basis, and I have become part of a family and a larger team. I hope you all join campus ministry and learn more on our site.
Hi everyone, my name is KAITLYN de la Rosa. I am a senior at Providence High School, and I am one of the 2 ASB Religious Commissioners for the 2020 through 2021 school year. I initially joined campus ministry because I have been involved in something similar in elementary school. I was the religious affairs there. Since I was in 4th grade, I have been part of altar serving and a cantor for the school masses. I have always enjoyed being involved and decided to continue that at Providence. My faith has been a special part of me, and I'm glad to be part of campus ministry, to help strengthen my relationship with God and guide others through their journey through the ministries in any way I can. If you're interested in joining campus ministry, I highly recommend trying it out. I feel like trying new things will help enrich your experience here at Providence. Thank you and have a beautiful day.